looks like.
You leave that on. Leave it on. Don't be playing with it. Okay? Leave it on for me. Okay. Right on. There's Pimpin' Green cast. It's pretty awesome. Don't put it in your mouth, Aki's. I know he's chewing on things lately. He's chewing on his shoelaces on his inside shoes at school. How you feeling? How you feeling, buddy? That is one of the greatest casts I've ever seen.
See if you can get that on properly. That just driving me nuts.
I'm just glad it doesn't freak me out the way it did the first time. Stupid finicky cords. No, buddy, you gotta keep laying down. Keep laying down. You gotta lay down for a little while, okay? Get some rest. We gave you some ketamine.
I don't know the doctor told us the straight name for it.
I know.
I can't eat cereal.
You can't eat cereal?
I can't eat cereal when I'm...
It's good to see what his main worries are.
Yeah. Can't eat a cereal. Oh, dear Lord.
That's driving me nuts.
Pretty cool, eh?
Since you get it off.
No, we gotta keep that on for a while.
You could take it off.